Hello everyone, welcome to Bayford Analytics. I'm your host. Today we're gonna do technical analysis of Bitcoin and see the scenarios, bullish or bearish scenarios on Bitcoin chart. Today we're gonna look at daily and weekly time frame charts, okay, and see what are the target points. So first of all, before doing my analysis, let me tell you the warning. This video or none of these videos in the Bayford Analytics channel they're not investment advices. They're only investment ideas of myself, and please take your investment decisions only by yourself. So first of all, you already know that this week we did a hike. Bitcoin did a really good hike, 20% nearly. After that hike, everyone is talking about if Bitcoin turn back to bullish scenario and everything. I can say, unfortunately, this is not true. Right now, if we look at least weekly basis, we are still on a downtrend. As you can see, there's a downtrend line, and we are still under that line. So that means that we need to at least break it to in order to go to a bullish trend. So let's see some scenarios about that. First of all, if we draw a path, like if Bitcoin breaks the point of, let me put some price label there. Yeah, if Bitcoin goes over 22.4k, that means that we have chance to break that trend line. And after that, if Bitcoin does a retest, that's so obvious to, that's so good chance to go to right here, which is 32k levels. We can see these levels, and that means that Bitcoin is in bullish trend after that point. All right. But right now we can't say that. That's not definite. That's not true. So that's one scenario, one bullish scenario to go to. All right, that's important levels for Bitcoin. So about bear scenario, as you can see, there's a trend line tool again. If Bitcoin can't break that trend line and got rejected from it, we can see these levels, which are 13.7Ks. So these levels are actually, if we put some support points right here, as you can see, the resistance, it was resistance before 2021. So right now it is, as you can see, it's gonna work as support if we reject, if there's some bearish scenario happens. All right, so there's two scenarios in Bitcoin right now in weekly basis actually. And one more thing, I'm going to show you one more analysis. That's not about price action. If we look at that indicator in weekly basis, if you go back a bit, yep, as you can see, what happens? Bitcoin moves up, does a bullish move, all right, and then goes down. But as you can see, this indicator stays right here, like that level. All right, then Bitcoin corrects itself to that level, then continues a bit more. All right, after that level continuation, it was about 2000%. All right, 2000%. Then again, there is a correction happens after that, but as you can see, still the level stays the same, right? After that, Bitcoin goes to that level again and does a one more bullish move. It was 500%, right? So right now I feel like we can see the same move. There's a possibility if the bullish scenario happens. So right now our level is here, which is 42k. So Bitcoin can go till here, then can do some bullish move again. There's a chance to do that. So I just wanted to show you this indicator tool that I'm using. So there's a chance, there's a scenario for Bitcoin like that too. But as I said, the key point is for bullish moves, key point is to break this trend line, which is 22.5k. Okay, we need to break that trend line. On daily basis, let's look at daily basis, what's going on. So there's a BART happened, as you can see. There's so obvious BART happened, like inverted BART actually happened, and we're right now above this support point, and which means that we can do some correction till here, like in daily chart that's normal till here. And if we look at our Fibonacci, yep, correction is gonna be at least 0.5, I guess. So that's normal. That doesn't mean that we are going bearish scenario or anything. That means that there's a chance to buy again. So right now I would sell right here, because if we look at RSI2, we really overbought, really incredibly overbought. So there's a we need to at least do a correction down there, then Bitcoin again try to break this trend line, right? That's so obvious. And if what is the key point about bearish scenario? Let me tell you. Key point about bearish scenario is there's a trend line like that, but how do we know that we are in bearish scenario and go to these lowest points? How we're gonna look at EMAs. So as you can see in a weekly moving averages, our key point, key level is right here, which is 18k, just 18k. If we're under 18k, that means we're going bad. It's gonna be bearish move, like we can tell that, that's obvious. So as long as we stay above 18k, we're cool, at least till we rejected from this trend line. All right, as I said, we are cool till we rejected. After that, you can, like, at least I would short it. If we reject, I would short till this as you can see, this support. If this support if Bitcoin break the support, I would short again till at least 13k, right? At least here. Okay, but you please always wait for retests, confirmations before getting into some any positions. That's good for risk management. I guess these are the that's the analysis that I wanted to show you guys. Let me draw that again so you can see better two scenarios. There's one scenario like that, and there's that's the target point, and there's the other scenario like that. Maybe that would happen. Okay, so these are two scenarios. And as I said, these are just my ideas, my own ideas. Please take your investment decisions only by yourself. Never do anything relying on only this technical analysis. Every profit, every loss, your profit, your loss. I'm not doing anything here. I'm just telling you my ideas. And don't do any trades without looking on-chain analysis and fundamental analysis in at least Bitcoins, and or any stocks or any indices, anything. Don't look at only technical analysis. Look at fundamentals too. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe or like the videos, and or do both. That's up to you. And I want you to comment the videos and tell me which stocks or which cryptocurrencies that you want me to analyze, so I can do that. Thanks for watching Bayford Analytics. See you next time.